We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Canon MG2920 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So we've noticed whenever we're making copies or scans, we've been getting lines and blemishes on our pages, and that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So today we're going to go ahead and show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the top of your scanner here. So once you do that, we're going to take a lint-free cloth and your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have something like glass cleaner available, you can use something like rubbing alcohol instead, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. So the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, never directly to the glass on the printer. If you apply your glass cleaner or your alcohol directly to the glass on the printer, there's a good chance it could seep underneath the glass, and that can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth, not the glass. And then once you have that, we're just going to go ahead and wipe everything down, making sure we get this glass as clean as possible. So we want to make sure we remove any kind of dust, fingerprints, any kind of ink buildup, whiteout buildup, anything like that. It's all really common to find on scanner glass. Keep in mind that some things like ink and whiteout can be really stubborn, and you have to go over them quite a few times to get them removed from the glass. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, then you should be good to go. I would do a test copy or a test scan just to make sure I'm happy with the results. If you're still getting some slight blemishes, I would repeat this cleaning process, and other than that, you should be good to go and taken care of. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.